Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable support in Creality Print. First, what you need to do is open your 3D model in Creality Print and look at the settings panel on the right side of the screen. Alright, ensure you are in the Prepare tab. So ensure that. So now click on this 3D model and you will see here at the right corner enable support. So enable this one just like so. And yeah, now that we have that, we go here to this menu here at the top where you see a bunch of icons. So you will find support painting. So we can click on that also. And we can select here normal tree, manual, auto. So we can select auto, for example. Tool type, we can select circle, sphere, fill, and gap fill. Pen size, also highlight or and section view. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Uh, this is basically how you can enable this support painting. So I hope this video helped you out. Right here we can update it. Style, we can change also the style. Yeah, 3 slim, 3 strong, 3 hybrid. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next